Hi, I'm Ram.
Namaskar. I'm Shivani.
Good day to all. I'm Jeevi.
Welcome to Play
Play
Life.
Life.
How are you, Shivani?
I'm good.
How are you, Jivi?
I'm good too, in blessings. Hey Ram, can you explain what is Play Life all about?
That's a good question, and I'm honored to explain to all of you about Play Life. This program is specially designed for kids and teenagers to learn about the basic principles in their life and to create an inspiration path which leads to achieving excellence and awareness.
Wow, this is cool, and I'm glad to join with you both in this enlightening program.
Not only that, GV. In this program, we also going to guide the members to practice special activities to further excel in their daily lifestyle. Besides normal lectures, we also allow the parents to participate together with their children by providing quiz, writing activities, and weekly kriyas. The parents able to create a strong relationship with their children and understand them more.
Wow. This means not only children like me going to attain benefit through this program, but also adults like you both.
Yes, that's right.
right.
So let's together build a great community.
Yes, Ram.
Dear
Dear
beloved
beloved
members,
members, let's make this program
available to all.
Support us and keep updated. Play Life, Amrtas Academy.